Hi, thank you for finding a local art shop on eBay. I'm going to give you a quick explanation of how our sheets of paper are sold on multi-listings. When you come to a multi-listing, you'll find the selection process on the right hand side of the image. First thing in this one is I've got Fabriano Artistico watercolour paper. You have to select the paper surface, so you've got hot press, cold press and rough. Then you have to select the weight. In this we have 200 gram, 300 gram and 640 gram. Then the next thing you have to do is select the size. The way we do sizes are we chop the paper up into either quarters or halves, so thereby when you come to the quantity you can select in either quantities of 4. If it's 15 by 11, that's a quarter sheet, so you get options of 4s, so 4, 12 or 40. If you're selecting the 22 by 15, it's half a sheet, so you get the options in 2s and 4s. One thing to note is we're chopping this all down ourselves from one stock quantity, so when you click onto 15 by 22, if you put in 2 and then see what available is, that shows you there's 3, which in this particular case means we have 3 sheets available left in total of cold press 300 gram watercolour paper in the Fabriano Artistico. You can order 3 and get a discount on, so if you put quantity 3 then it'll automatically give you your discount in the order. If you add it to basket and go and buy more products in the eBay shop that are eligible for discounts in the same price bracket, you will build up your discounts, multiple discounts, and eBay will automatically discount you whatever the value is available that we've put on the deals. Other things to do is obviously check item specifics, always useful to see. Then we've got the description, which tells you everything about what is in the multiple options, as well as a good description regarding what the product is. So on this particular thing, it's Fabriano watercolour paper in 100% cotton. It's very nice, high quality watercolour paper, recommended by professionals and amateurs alike. So what we do also in our listings is we try and put an idea of what we consider the quality of the product is, so whether it's for beginners, students or studio work or professionals. So check out the triangles at the bottom of every listing. That will give you a guide point to where the quality of this product is. So this particular one is obviously it's Fabriano Artistico 100% cotton, so it is professional and is ideal for absolutely anybody to have a go if they feel that they want to have an end piece that's really nice. If you've got any questions, then don't hesitate to find us. Contact us on contact seller button and send us a message and we'll respond to you as quickly as we can. Hopefully that helps you, and thank you for finding us on eBay.